dear brothers of Integrity Group, you've done well. They've tried to break us, they couldn't break us. And they will never break us. But here in River State, I will say it. And let heaven hear me today. Let the earth hear me today. I will not support anybody who says that no other person from any ethnic group can be president. I won't do it. I will not do it. I mean, Nigeria belongs to all of us. Whether you're from the Hausa, Fulani, you're from Yoruba, you're from Igbo, you're from Ikwere, you're from Urobo, you're from Ishekiri, you're from Ijo, you're from anywhere. You're entitled to be president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So when you go on national television and tell everybody, don't vote for the Yorubas, don't vote for the Igbos, you didn't even mention where I come from, which means nobody identifies with me, which means I come from nowhere, but God knows I come from somewhere. You are saying, don't vote for the Igbos, don't vote for the Yorubas. You didn't mention where I come from, which means I don't exist. God, are you alive? I say I don't exist. I exist. God has never made a mistake in life. God is the one who said where we should come from. It has nothing to do with party. It has nothing to do with party. It has to do my identity. It has to do with what? My identity. Where do I come from? I don't mean to Nigeria. Nigeria does not recognize me. I come from somewhere. But by the grace of God, I come from somewhere. I must show that we come from somewhere. And you must show you come from somewhere. If somebody says you don't exist, say you exist. And we exist. River said we exist. So, let me tell you, when people say party, I believe in party. I believe in what? Party. And I believe in equity, fairness, and what? Justice. And I tell people, don't insult me. Don't insult my people. You go to a town hall meeting. You tell them lies. All I say, if you believe in restoration of Nigeria, if you believe in devolution of powers, if you believe that Buhari did make mistake of appointing service chief from one area, then what you should do, correct it now from the party. Not be so? Not be so? What the G5 is saying, equity, fairness, justice, the constitution of the party, section 73C of our party says, listen, we must share elective offices and political offices. And then you now say, you will take everything. I will not agree. Will I agree? Will you agree? If you want to kill me, kill me. And let me tell my brothers, I'm from the governor of Very West said, I'm sorry, I have to say this, and I cannot to say it. I will say it. If anybody feels hot, let him go to court and challenge me. Nobody will lead me to a campaign. A man who is corrupt, I have challenged you. You are corrupt, and you cannot lead me to any campaign. I will not Rivers State will not. Whether they like it or not, you cannot lead us to a campaign. You is corrupt. I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry to say to the Benue governor, if I've insulted you, forgive me. Rivers people are hot, and we are hot. Are you not hot? Are you not hot? Are you not angry? Are you not angry? Are you? You cannot lead Rivers to any campaign. I want to Benue State. I want to Benue State. Are you? You have not said 1 year in the office, and you are fighting corruption. How do you fight corruption? I asked you. You took 1 billion naira. I told you you took 100 million naira. I told you you took the money that we realized for the primaries. Are you? Sue me. Are you do what? Sue Wike. And you are building a university in Benue State. For you have not gotten to 1 year. Assuming you enter office, what will you do? Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Are you shame, shame, shame? You cannot fight Rivers State and go free. You cannot fight Rivers State and go free. You cannot fight Nigeria and go. We will support. When you are come, we are hands clean. It doesn't matter the news media you have to insult me. It does not matter. To insult the G5, it does not matter. If you like, insult us as you want. The truth must be told. The truth must be told. So, anyway, Governor, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry. So I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Deputy National Chairman, I'm sorry. Scientist, I'm sorry. Atiku, I'm sorry. But this is Rivers State talking. I'm a former minister. I'm sorry. I cannot kill myself. I'm sorry. Anybody, whether you are the governors or G5, you are the governors on the other side, challenge me to a debate. Challenge them to a debate. We are integrity governors. We are integrity governors. You go and pay some media houses. They come and abuse us. Some of them are ex-convicts. Some of the media men are ex-convicts. Tell them enough is tell them who are those who keep PDP in Ogun State in 2019. Ask them who ran for the deputy governor of Ogun State 2019. Ask them. Ask them. They killed the party. Now they come to the media house and begin to talk. They had EFCC problem in 2015 with their wife. Ask them. They came to me to rescue them. I was not Mr. Donatus. Today I'm Mr. Donatus. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Yendeba. Look, Rivers people, what I want to say, I'm going happily. I'm going with my shoulders high. I'm going because I never betrayed their trust. I'm going because I never told you I would do one thing and I didn't do it. And therefore, we have a lot of armed robbers coming. We have a lot of kidnappers coming to be governors. Please, open your eye. Shine your. See your governor, see your deputy. I raise their hand today. If you are supporting me, support them. Will you support them? Will you support them? I Are you sure? Are you sure? God will bless all of you. Who are the candidates for the National Assembly to the State Assembly? Let me warn you now. If your leg is here, your leg is here. We too, our legs will be here, and our legs will also be here. Not only you start to play, why you? Korima and die, Korima bury him. So if you think say, in the Abuja, if they go meet those Wayebu for Abuja, we too, we go Abuja. Nobody is able to go to Abuja. So some of you say, I can't come. I'm busy. We too will be very, very busy. When you are busy, we are busy. If you support us, we will support you. So all of you, thank you. Thank our G5 governors who have remained firm, who have remained strong to support this country, to move this country forward. I did say the right day, and I will mean it, and I will do it. I told Peter Obi, I said, listen, if you are coming here for campaign, as a former governor, I will give you vehicles. I will give you security. I'm entitled to do that. No be so. No be so. Don't listen to all these 419 people. So most of them are 419 people. Vampires, hyenas, rent seekers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless you.